Hey everybody, it's Jennifer Norman is right. In this week's video, I want to talk about fan bearing life. So let's get started. The fan bearings are the rolling elements, usually ball or roller bearings. They support the fan shaft and let it spin with minimal friction. In this photo, the bearings would be here and here. The bearings carry the weight of the wheel and handle belt tension, vibration, and side loads. So although they're small, they're pretty important. And that's why bearing life expectancy is important. Let's move this up. In specifications, you'll see something like bearings shall be air handling quality, heavy duty, grease lubricated, ball or roller type. Bearings shall be selected for the bearing life rating L10 of 80,000 hours at maximum operating speed and horsepower. So what does that mean? Let's move this over. Manufacturers use statistical life ratings, usually L10 and sometimes L50. L10 life is the number of hours at which 90% of a group of identical bearings are expected to still be running without fatigue failure. So if a bearing has an L10 of 80,000 hours, it means 9 out of 10 bearings should last at least that long, but 1 in 10 might fail earlier. L50 life is the median life. 50% of the bearings would be expected to last longer and 50% shorter. Let's make a little bit of room. For the same bearing, the L50 number is usually about 5 times the L10 number. So if the L10 is 80,000 hours, the L50 will be around 400,000 hours. For a fan that operates 12 hours a day, every day, an L10 80,000 hour bearing would run 80,000 divided by 12 divided by 365. That equals 18.3 years. Let's move this over. In most cases, the basic bearing life will be much greater than the rating because the bearings are selected at maximum RPM and horsepower for each size and fan class. Most fans are selected significantly below their maximum fan RPM. For owners and facility operators, L10 is a predictor of downtime and maintenance costs. A fan with bearings rated for a short L10 life might be cheaper up front, but will need replacement sooner, which means more labor, parts, and possible system shutdowns. Let's move this up. There are different types of bearings for different applications. There are light-duty bearings, air handling quality bearings, and ball bearings. Also, in some applications where contaminants need to be kept out of the bearing, special seals may be needed. So let's bring all this back on screen. As you can see, the bearings are a small but important part of the fan system. That covers fan bearing life. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.